What's up YouTube? This is JMilionair here. Another video of some raw selvage denim. Last one I did, if you watch that, is from Ibizu, and that's still in the works of trying to find the size that works for me. This is another brand, and this is actually a pretty good pair. Pretty good company, and they make some really good products. So history behind this brand is called Bravestar. They're made in Los Angeles, or the companies in Los Angeles actually make the jeans in Los Angeles. But this denim and another pair that I should be in a couple days is actually from the legendary Cone Mills in North Carolina. It's where they actually made the original Levi jeans, the first Selvage denims, basically the first jeans. So they know what they're doing as far as making the product, the denim, and then they just constructed themselves. So the actual stock is selling out, and it will sell out eventually. So a lot of sizes and a lot of things are sold out, but I was lucky enough to get my hands on these. These are the summer. Let's actually look at what it is. Boop. The slim taper 12 and a half ounce Cone Mills summer selvage. So look at the thing that was on the tag, sales and services. So this is, like I said, the light summer selvage. So it's a 12 and a half, which is, I guess, considered thin and light. I ordered a 13 and a half or a 14 Cone Mills, basically just like a regular Cone Mills brand, but this is actually pretty dope. The color, in comparison to a regular, I guess, regular denim from them, this is a lot darker. In comparison from the last video I just did, the Ibizu is another whole different color. As you can see, it's more of a, you can see the white in it from the left, or it's the left, I believe. And this one doesn't have as much because it's a lot thinner and tighter. This is a lot looser, Japanese, and a lot different color. So it gives you a little gauge anyways. Let's go into these. So I got these, I think they were like 80 or 90 bucks, which is really cheap for jeans, and the material on this and the quality is really nice. So go check them out. They didn't plug me, I'm just telling you. The other pair that I just got that are coming in are actually even cheaper, so yeah. Bravestar patch on the waist, my size 34, and these fit perfect. Another little tidbit on here is, it says Cone Denim from Greensboro, North Carolina. Like I said, from the Cone factories, and this is made in USA. Of course, everything's made in USA on this product because Cone Mills is in, or was before it shut down, in North Carolina. Like I said, they're shut down. No, they're not going to produce anymore ever again. So once the stock is gone, it's gone. And then of course they constructed in LA, which is in America. USA. Other button is the Victory kind of style button, and like in my last video, the hole is like a vintage because back in World War II they took out the middle to make bullets. So it's a homage to the vintage look, as well as the rest of the buttons. Just selvage liner on the pocket. Another hint that you know it's Bravestar because in the right back pocket it has a star embroidered in there, which is kind of cool touch. It's subtle, but if you see it, you know it, you know it. The patch back here is just raw leather, not color treated or anything. So once you wear these a bunch and then wash them for the first time, once you start putting all your wear and just stress on the jeans, this will start to age. So it'll change different colors after years and years of wear, which is a cool touch in my opinion. So raw. This is actually sanforized denim, so it actually is shrunk. So basically, it won't shrink too much. All denim shrinks when you wash it, but it won't shrink so much where it'll change size. And then, of course, it will stretch out again. So back pocket's pretty simple. Stitched in here, orange stitch here. Quiet, Teddy. Simple, simple. I mean, it's basic construction. It's just the materials that are on it, which are nice. Pockets on these, pretty thick, not as thick as the Ibizus I did a review on, but they're thicker than basic jeans, pretty nice. And what are the other hints on this that are pretty dope? I mean, that's pretty much it. I already wore these for a little bit, not too long, and as you could see, the little creasing from behind my knees, the honeycomb started, and some of the whiskers on the front are already starting. And I wore these for a couple hours. Of course, the color hasn't faded or anything, but if I wear these for weeks and weeks at a time, like 100 wears, eventually I'll wash them and it will show up. So let me know if you cop the pair of Bravestars at all. And I've already, like I said, worn them like once, and I'm a fan. I already ordered another pair. I'll do a review on those when those come in comparison. But yeah, I guess I'll do an update whenever I do wash these way down the line and show you what they look like. All right, rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you got a pair of these, and if you are going to get a pair of these, because you should, Peace.